In this video, you'll learn how to set up the CareCredit payment integration in Pulse, enabling you to offer convenient financing options to pet owners directly within your practice management software. First, log into Pulse and go to Settings. Practice Setup. General. Integration Settings. Then, toggle the Show CareCredit option to On. Scroll down and click Save to confirm. Next, go to Settings, Billing, Payments, Payments Accepted, and enable the CareCredit payment option. This will open the CareCredit system settings. In the CareCredit settings, enter your CareCredit merchant ID. This is your practice's unique identifier. It's a 16-digit number, usually starting with 53. Then click Save. That's it. CareCredit is now ready to use in Pulse. Please note, if you already had a manual CareCredit payment type, consider inactivating it to avoid confusion. Search CareCredit in the Pulse Help Center for more information on how to process CareCredit payments and other support solutions.